Hi, this video is going to help you work with models without room or space definitions. Lightstanza by default, though, will try to make rooms and spaces for you, and it does so through this auto grid feature. So you can see in this four-story building, trying to guess where Calc grids are, so you can go ahead and put in your fixtures. And so in the grid panel, you'll see that Lightstanza guesses on the auto grids. And if you run calculations, in this case, it'll just be a daylight calculation because there are no fixtures in it. And we can go ahead and run a daylight calculation. So it's going to run all four. So where it gets interesting is when you take this building, and so even though there's some calc grids that Lightstanza guess, when you start making your own calc grids in the user grid panel, you can go ahead and add. In this case, we can add it from the surface. Let's just add something outside. We're going to put a calc grid up here. And if we're just doing a daylight set, you can see it. By default, once this is here, if I were to go ahead and calculate this, it's going to be just the roof. So it's not going to calculate the rest of these auto grids. The theory is that you just don't need them anymore because you're starting from scratch, drawing your own grids. But there are going to be cases where you want to see the auto grids like here inside as well as what's outside. So to make that work, you can convert these auto grids with this merge tool. So when you merge them, it'll then show up into the imported grids tab, just like you drew them in the first place. So now that you have this grid that you drew outside, these interior grids or the auto grids, I can calculate this again. And when I do that, it will calc all 5 grids. Okay, thanks.